Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the usual suspects: battery, distance, and pairing. First, make sure both Airpods and the host device have more than 20% charge. Low power causes drops. Once done, turn Bluetooth off and on, then move within about 10 meters to reduce interference. If problems persist, forget the Airpods in Bluetooth settings and repair them. This clears stale profiles. These steps immediately rule out power and simple pairing issues, so you can focus on deeper fixes next. Now you dig into the core fixes. Perform a factory reset by holding the case button until the LED flashes amber then white. This eradicates corrupted settings. Make sure your phone or Mac is on the latest OS, and keep the AirPods case near while connected to Wi-Fi so firmware updates install automatically. Firmware often fixes stability bugs. Also, mitigate radio interference. Move away from routers, microwaves, and other 2.4 GHz devices, or switch your router to a less congested channel to improve Bluetooth reliability. Finally, verify the solution by testing the AirPods with a different phone or computer. This tells you whether the issue is the AirPods or the original host. If disconnects persist after resets, updates, and interference checks, contact Apple support or an authorized service center for diagnostics. There may be a hardware fault. One practical troubleshooting tip: inspect and clean the charging contacts in case dirt or corrosion can cause power glitches that look like disconnects. So
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.